Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. We are discussing the chapter transportation of materials in plants and animals. Is it? And in previous class, I have explained you about the process of excretion in human beings as well as the structure of nephron. Get it? How the urine is going to filtered out, how the urine is going to separate it from the blood. Okay, clear? So that system of the body is known as urinary system. What it is known as? Urinary system. Now today we will discuss the next topic of the chapter, and the topic is diseases and urine examination. And urine examination. Children, remember that as the urine is the waste material which produced in the body and they need to remove out from the body. Is it? If they will not remove, if they will remain in the body for a long time, so what can happen? It will be harmful for the body, and due to that the body will have certain diseases, the body will suffer from certain problems. Alright, so that is why now in the next topic we are going to discuss the diseases that occurs due to the not proper filtration of urine from the body, or when our kidneys are not going to function well, the kidneys are not able to filter or separate the urine, so certain diseases will occur. And how we can identify it, how we can know about such diseases? So simply the urine examination of the persons or the patients are help to give us the idea that person is suffering from which kind of disease. Get it? Understood? Now, an examination of urine that tells a lot about the functioning of various organs in the body. As we have different systems in the body, different organs in the body, like lungs, like heart, like stomach and all. So the functioning of these all organs of the body is get identified, get find out with the help of which test, which examination? Urine examination. So when the urine is get examined in the labs, so the substances which are present in the urine is going to tell us, is going to indicate us that our different organs of the body are functioning well or not. Get it? And the doctors therefore uses the urine test to help diagnose the diseases. That is why when our body is suffering from any disease or any problem, and when we visit to the doctor, so doctor prescribes some test. Okay, so along with the blood test, they also prescribe urine test. Is it not? So why the urine test get prescribed by the doctors? Just to diagnose the disease, to find out about the disease, that what is the problem in the body, in which organ of the body have the problem. So that can be observed, that can be examined by our urine test. Get it? And if there is excess sugar, enzymes, blood or other materials in the urine, it indicates that some organs may not be functioning properly. And during the test of urine, if it is going to observe, if the urine, the examination report comes and in the report of the urine, it is written that in the urine some amount of sugar present there, some enzymes are present there, or the blood, the small, the little blood amount is also there. So because of the presence of such materials, what happened? Doctor identify that which part of the body is not functioning well, which organ of the body is not functioning well. Get it? Understood? So these all materials which are present in the urine, they indicates that some organs may not be functioning properly. Get it? Now, for example, the presence of sugar in the urine. If the sugar molecules are present in the urine, suppose after the test, after the examination of urine, it comes that the result comes in someone's urine, sugar content is present. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that the sugar indicates in the urine the person may be suffering from diabetes. What may be the case? The person may be suffering from diabetes. You must have heard the name of the disease now? Diabetes. So in diabetes disease, what happens? You can say that the sugar is present in the urine, or the molecules of sugar are present in urine, and when the urine get examined, it's get find out, and then doctor identify the actual disease of the person, and then he start prescribe the what proper medicines. Get it? To treat that. So this presence of sugar in the urine indicates that the person is suffering from diabetes. It is a disease in which the sugar in the blood increases beyond the normal value. As you have heard about the diabetes. So what happens in diabetes? The level of sugar, the amount of sugar gets increases. Alright. From the normal value, from the normal amount, the amount of sugar get increases in our blood. Alright. Understood? And some of the excess sugar is carried out from the urine. So that increased level of sugar in the blood, when the blood goes for the filtration in kidney, who have the excess sugar, so some sugar get filtered along with the urine and comes in the urine. So when the urine examination takes place, that sugar molecules which are present indicates that the person suffering from diabetes. That is why the molecules of sugar are coming through the urine also. Get it? Understood about this? Presence of sugar molecules in the urine indicates which disease? Diabetes disease. Very good. Now come to the next. The presence of blood in the urine. It may be the sign of what? It is a sign of damaged kidneys. If the blood is coming out through the urine and it was examined at the time of urine examination, so what may be the possibility? What is the reason for it? The reason is our kidneys are damaged. That is why some blood is coming through the urine. Otherwise, blood will not come through the urine, because all the blood get filtered in the nephrons and only the waste, that is urine, comes out through the what? Ureters and the urinary bladder. But as some blood molecules, some blood also coming, it means something wrong. And where is it? This is wrong in kidneys. Some part of the kidneys are damaged, due to which the blood is coming through the urine also. Get it? Understood? And why this damage of the kidneys occur? Why this damage of the kidney occur? So it may arise due to the what? Damage of nephrons by bacteria. Sometime due to the bacterial infection, some of the nephrons of the kidneys get affected, gets damaged, due to which some blood comes through the urine. Get it? So as it's get identified by the urine test, so what will start? A proper medication will start. Okay, and the person get treated in few weeks. Get it now? So increased level of sugar in the blood comes through the urine also and indicates the disease diabetes. Blood that comes in the in the urine, it indicates damage of the kidneys. Actually the Damage of nephrons, because kidneys are made up of nephrons. Kidneys are having millions of nephrons. So might be some nephrons get damaged due to the infection of bacteria. That is why this blood is coming through it. Get it? Understood everyone? Now, if a person's kidney are damaged, suppose the whole kidney get damaged, not few nephrons. If few nephrons damaged and blood coming, so it can be treated by proper medicines. Get it? But suppose the kidney gets damaged of some person, so in such case, what to do? Doctors remove that kidney. Doctors removes the body waste, which is the urine, by a artificial process, by a medical process, and that medical process is known as dialysis. Get it? If someone's kidney damaged, and you know the function of kidney, what? Filtration of waste material, removal of waste material. So if kidneys will damage, so remove waste material will not remove. Waste material from the blood will not get filtered. They will remain in the blood, and it will be very harmful for whole body, because those waste material becomes poisonous, becomes toxic if they will be in the body for long time. So an artificial method, an artificial process adopted by the doctors, okay, and the name of that process or method is dialysis. So through this method, what doctors do? They remove the waste from the blood of a person artificially. Get it? Understood? So a more permanent solution is kidney transplant, in which the damaged kidney is replaced by a healthy kidney donated by someone. Dialysis is not the permanent solution, because for dialysis you have to visit the hospital for every week, okay, for the removal of waste from your blood, because this is the continuous process now. The formation of waste in the blood occurs every time, and it need to remove every time. So for dialysis you have to go again and again and again in the hospital to the doctor for the dialysis process. But if someone wants the permanent solution of it, so what is the way? The way is transplantation of kidney. Transplantation means that damaged kidney of the persons get removed, get cut by a surgery and removed out, and the kidney of a healthy person, any healthy person who is ready to donate his kidney. Okay, so that kidney taken from the body of healthy person and transplanted in the body of patient, or the person whose kidney gets damaged. Get it? Understood? So this replacing of the kidneys takes place in kidney transplantation. Now here a question can be arises. As the healthy person, if give his kidney, donate his kidney, so how he will survive? So simply, a person have how many kidney? Two kidney. A pair of kidneys are there, na? And if the donor is going to donate one kidney, so there is no problem. The one kidney in the body is sufficient to filter the blood, remove the waste material. Alright, understood? So both the person can survive. The person who have donated the kidney and the person who have taken the kidney. Get it? Understood everyone? So this disease at the urine examination. This urine examination indicates about the certain diseases in the body due to the presence of these substances like sugar, like enzymes, like blood and all. Alright? Understood everyone? So this is one of the way of removal of waste, that is urine. Now, some more kind of waste from the body also removed. Get it? Not by the kidney, through our body skin, in the form of sweating, We have the sweating now, especially in summer season. Hmm? So actually in the sweating, that water which comes, it also have some dissolved waste material of the body. Alright, so now we will discuss about the sweating. Children, you know very well that kidneys are going to filter the blood and removes the waste material, and that waste comes in the form of urine. Besides kidney, our skin also helps in eliminating the waste. Okay, for removal of waste, our skin is also what? Helping us. And it excretes excess of water, urea, salts and other metabolic wastes in the form of sweat. With the help of sweat glands present in the skin. In the skin, what we have? We have sweat glands. Suppose if this is the skin, surface of the skin. So in surface of the skin, we have many small glands. Glands means what, children? Glands means small pouches like structure, small bags like structure, who produce some liquid. Get it? So those structures are known as glands. So some kind of pouches like structures are present on the kidneys, and these glands are known as which gland? Sweat gland. And these sweat glands are going to release what? They are releasing sweat. Sweat glands release sweat. And what is present in the sweat? What is present here? Excess water, excess amount of water which is present in the body, that is present in the sweat. Along with the water, some dissolved substances are also present in the water, like urea, salts. Okay, urea is there, dissolved salts are there, and other metabolic waste. Metabolic waste means metabolic waste, the waste materials which are produced during the metabolic reactions in the body. Metabolic reactions takes place in our cells of the body. Okay, like at the time of producing energy, some waste material also produced which are not used by our body. Okay, so they need to remove from the body. So such all the materials which are produced during certain metabolic reactions, chemical reactions in the body, and they are not useful for the body. So such all waste material are known as metabolic waste. Okay, and these metabolic wastes are going to remove along with the salts, urea in water through the sweat glands in the form of sweat. Get it? So this is also a way of what? Removal of waste material from the body. Kidney is one of the important system of the body by which the important waste get removed out. That is urine. But along with the urine, some other wastes also present in the body, like these all. They are not the urine, but they are also waste. Okay, and you know the meaning of waste, something which is not useful for us. So that is waste, and waste are need to remove out, need to throw out. Okay, so for the same purpose, our skin also help for the removal of some waste material in the form of sweating. And these all wastes are present where? In sweat glands. And from sweat glands, it get released out time to time. Get it? Understood everyone? The process of sweating. So in sweating process, what is going to excrete from the body? Water, urea, salt and other metabolic waste. In which form they release? In the form of sweat. Get it? And which gland help to remove this sweat? Sweat gland. Where it is present? Yes, in the skin. So get all the information? Very good. As the sweat evaporates, as the sweat comes on the surface of the skin and from the surface it evaporates. Okay, so it also put a positive effect on the body. It helped to cool the body surface. When the evaporation occurs anywhere, so it cools that surface from where evaporation is going to occur. So just like that, as the evaporation of sweat is going to occur from the body surface, so it also cools the skin. It helps to cool the skin. And you can say that sweating helps to cool down our body when it is very hot. The rate of sweating is more in hot now, in hot condition, when the temperature is more. So when the sweating occurs more, vaporization occurs, evaporation occurs, and due to which our skin feels cool. So you can say that it is a natural process by which what happened? The skin gets cooled due to the hotness, okay, by the process of evaporation of sweat. Alright, understood? So this process of removal of the metabolic waste is known as sweating. Clear everyone? Very good. Now, this is all about the topics of the chapter. Okay, so you can say that here our chapter is going to over. Now we will discuss the oral question of the chapter and then book exercise. Alright, so come to the oral questions, third. And the question number 1 is there, removal of all kind of waste from the body is included under excretion. Do you agree? If yes, give reason. If no, then give reason. So first go through the question. Okay, the question is removal of all kind of waste. All kind of waste from the body is included under excretion process. Is it? No. So you can say that no, I do not agree with this statement. Okay, why? Reason? Because removal of waste like carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also waste, na? But it is not removed through the excretion process. It removes by which process? Respiration process. That is exhalation. Is it na? So the carbon dioxide is included under respiration. And the removal of waste food, the undigested food, it gets removed also from the body na? So that is mainly undigested food is included under digestion. So the removal of undigested food comes under digestion and removal of what? Carbon dioxide comes under respiration. Only the removal of urine comes under the excretion. Get it? Now come to the next question number 2. And the question is, the kidneys filter waste from the blood. That you know, our kidney help to filter the blood now. Now, which structure in the kidneys act as filtering unit? It's a very simple question. You have to name the unit. Yes, it is the nephron. So nephron in the kidneys act as filtering units. Get it? Now come to the next question number 3. All animals have special excretory organs. All animals have either unicellular or multicellular, simple kind of animals are the human beings. So all have the excretory organs. Do you have? Give reason. Every organism have excretory organ. Every animals? No. Like unicellular animals don't have any excretory organ. Okay. So your answer will be no. I do not agree, because lower animals means simple form of animals, they do not have any special excretory organ. Okay, and in these animals the waste products are excreted by what? By the process of diffusion through the body surface, like what? Amoeba, it get diffuses now. So diffusion process is there, no excretion process occurs. Get it? Now the next question, number 4, and the question is, test shows that the urine of a patient contains sugar. The examination of the urine or taste of urine show what? Show that urine of a patient contains sugar. So what disease is the patient suffering from? Yes, the patient is suffering from diabetes. Get it? Understood everyone or not? The patient may be suffering from which disease? Diabetes disease. That is why the sugar is present in the urine. Alright. So I hope that you understood all the answers of oral question now, and you have to write the answers in your fair notebook. Get it? Understood everyone? And rest of the exercise, book exercise, we will discuss in the next class. Okay? So thank you and have a nice day, children.